We have installed these upgraded D-rings in the corner. There's one there, and then on the passenger side there's one there and one by the door. And these are actually installed properly as opposed to the ones that came stock. They're bolted down through the floorboard, and then there's a plate at the bottom, a nice thick gauge plate that they are bolted all the way through. They're installed at this point, and then the next stage will be installing the beast rack for our bikes. And so stay tuned and enjoy the ride. This for per order, is that right?
Yes, pretty much. It will. Well, every trailer's a little different, so you have to designate the width of your trailer.
Is that everything inside?
There we go.
Probably should shut the door so the bugs doesn't come in.
So yeah, I mean, he asked you how wide the trailer is. Or to measure how wide the trailer is. So you know how wide a bar. You want the bar to be all the way that doesn't slide in between, but
okay.
You want to reach out to the walls. And then I was going to order a standard chalk and an extended chalk, and he said with the width of 95 inches, you won't need that. You'll be able to put two full dressers in here side by side.
Okay.
He said the extended chalk is for like a 75-inch trailer.
Oh, and 75-inch wide.
Wide inside.
Right. Okay.
So like a cartridge or something. So.
What do you need?
Somewhere over there. Red.
Come here, baby. You get sweetheart. You get good girl.
Yeah, he was very knowledgeable and extremely helpful in making choices on what to get.
Where did you say these came from?
Long Beach area. As far as geographical. You're never going anywhere. You're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere, baby. Safety first. All right.
Baby.
So I gotta turn this way because and then I'll measure the bike to see how wide it is, the handlebars, and then kind of see where it goes. So
is that each trailer that's outside Is that the tie downs?
Yeah, that's the ratchet, the tie downs and stuff. What are you doing? So those are way heavier duty looking than what you see on the website. That's what the website seem. As a matter of fact, I can get you. Seem. I mean, it's good. I like the thicker. So I would say one of these goes in the middle.
Me to lift this in for you?
Oh, no. So this one will essentially go into storage.
Is that a longer one then? Are they both the same size?
The same size. That's what I was
Okay.
saying. I was going to get an extended chock.
And so that's what he was
He
saying.
suggested no.
Okay.
He said if you decide that you need to.
So like Cheryl and Ken's trailer would benefit from having that extended one because they have to offset their bikes from how narrow their trailer is.
This is a good example of that. Because
Okay. Now, are you counting the holes that are on the top of there to evenly space them?
Yeah, right now I just want to set it up, see what it looks like, because ultimately, I mean, when I take it back apart, only one of those is going to go on there.
Right. Okay.
So,
are they both labeled like that? Oh yeah.
And there's a little rubber
Beef
pad on
straps.
the base, which may need to be
So these slide on and then they have like a, you lift it like that and then they go into the hole that's on top of the bar.
Yeah, and that I'm going to have to figure out the spacing on that to go down into the...
Honey. Okay, so, oh, that's pretty easy.
Well, that's it. It's together.
Wow. Okay.
So then...
There's not really a lot of assembly to go to it.
That one can't go there. So then what we'll probably need to do is put one here for two bikes.
Right.
Put one here, and then this is the center hold down. So the hold down is simply these J hooks.
Oh, I see how it works.
Well, if I want to use a center J hook, I can drill a hole. Because these, for these things, only go through the top. So they have a new style besides, instead of just this pin that pulls up.
Yeah.
The newer style that I didn't order is a clevis pin, like what holds that together.
Oh, okay.
Like this, right? That thing right there. So it actually goes all the way through and then
Oh,
has
gotcha.
a ball bearing. I guess maybe the idea is that these might move that. I don't think it's going to come loose, but alright, so I can't do the center one because it have to have a hole drilled in it. should be the same. So you should have four holes.
1, 2, 3, 4 on the outside, right?
Right. Of it.
There you go.
And some people have said they didn't like these. Handles because that's just pressed in there. So
cinching down.
They just replaced them with bolt with the nuts.
So this just comes off, and you hook this through the D-ring and slide it up inside the bar across the front, and then you put the washer and the plate back on, and then cinch it down. I think the beauty of this system is so that there is some play with those tight ounces. It came over about 1/2 inch.
That actually is it.
That did it?
It's perfect.
Awesome.
It's right on there.
Okay.
So I need to drill that hole out.
Okay. Can you do that in here?
But I want to tighten this back down.
Okay. Mine probably could stand to be tightened up more by someone stronger than me. Baby girl.
And then I see these aren't flip over chocks like the, where they have the rear part that flips up, but there is
Like a little lip.
lip there that you go up against or go up into. They make these are specified for Harley Davidsons. So while this is in the way it is, I want to measure the bike, the width of the handlebars. That's the important part.
Okay.
Width of the handlebars to see when it's sitting here, where would it, what space would it take up? Can't tighten it down too much because there's nothing. Those are tightening down against a triangle. These are not. This one's not. Now I could probably call them up and say, hey, send me another triangle. Pay for it, obviously.
Right.
But send me another triangle and put that, say here. And then when that tightens down, it'll tighten it down against.
That way the bar doesn't sag.
The bar doesn't, right. So
tension.
you'd only be able to tighten this down and not, you don't want to bend the bar. So, actually might not be a bad idea. Get a third triangle and then.
Okay.
Because of how long it is. And then that'll make it a really strong, sturdy platform. It's pretty, it's pretty sturdy as it is. And we'll have the tie downs on the front, tie downs out to the side, and then the tie downs in the back. And
okay.
while they seem like they're way at the end of the trigger, the bike's 8-something feet long. So
right.
I think they're 1/2 inch holes.
Yeah. Do you need that vacuum cleaner back?
Yeah, because I got stuff on that.
I'm not going anywhere soon.
Really didn't do much. Didn't do a lot of stuff. Doing the holes for the new holes for the tie downs. Great.
How's that? Yeah, it's about 1/2 inch on this end. Okay. Okay guys, it's been a long day. All the D-rings are installed, the beast rack is installed, and we are pooped. So tomorrow morning when it's daylight out, we will get the bike out and load it up, see how it all works out. So until then, stay tuned.